Hi, it's Water Week and we've come down to Bombala to have a look at the water treatment plant to see how they treat the water here. I'm here with Andrew, who's the operator down here, and we're going to go take a look. The water supply for Bombala comes from here, a weir on the Coolumbukka River, just before it joins the Bombala River. The quality of the water in the weir varies depending on the time of year and the environmental and climatic conditions. The water treatment process starts here with raw water sampling, which enables the operator to optimize the treatment process. At almost every stage of the process, the water is tested to ensure the process is optimized and the water being delivered meets the Australian Drinking Water Guidelines. The Bombala Water Treatment Plant has its own lab to enable these tests to be undertaken on site in real time and allow the process to be adjusted and optimized. Raw water is pumped from a pumping station on the Coolumbukka River up to the Bombala Treatment Plant. Chemical pre-dosing occurs to help manage iron and manganese levels, as these can cause discoloration and staining. In the flash mixer, coagulation chemicals are added so that any particles in the water will clump together, forming larger, heavier clumps called flock. In the clarifier is where these larger flock particles settle out as the water is left to settle for a period of time. The clear water is removed from the top of the clarifier. This clear water then goes through multimedia gravity filters. There are multiple filter layers consisting of sand and anthracite, which filter out any particles too small to settle out in the clarifier. The water is then dosed with soda ash to ensure the pH is within guideline limits and goes through a final disinfection step before going to the clear water storage, where it is then delivered to town. Most parts of the water treatment process are controlled by a computer called a Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC. The PLC monitors all parts of the water treatment process. The quality control continues even when the water has left the treatment plant, with testing being undertaken every day of the water out in the reticulation system. The Bombala Water Treatment Plant is due for upgrade, with a study currently being undertaken to determine the best treatment process to ensure high quality water is consistently delivered to Bombala. Thanks for joining us in Water Week 2020 at the Bombala Water Treatment Plant.